Welcome back to the build of Mount Western Raceway Track 2. Look at this. She's a ripper, I've got to tell you. I was trying a lot of cars down this over the last 24 hours and this works. This works extremely well. I'm telling you, it's better than the last track. What I've done is I've roughly timed everything, meaning I've got the track sort of timed so cars get down through the turns in their own pace. What I've done is I've just extended this this whole start area by around about another length of fat track. This comes down to turn 1, and then there's a short run down to turn 2. I had to do that because any longer than this you just would have lost power in the car and I just would have failed to get around that turn. So there's turn 2. Yet again, it's another short run down to turn 3, and then there's the home stretch. So realistically, from turn 2 to turn 3, it's the same as the previous track, just a shorter run here. But I am wrapped with this build. One big problem though is the start gate's around about 10 foot away, and that's going to be a huge problem with filming, and that might actually determine that we're not able to use this track. I don't know, I have to work on that. It's kind of difficult when you have to maneuver sort of around this this whole area, and by the way, it takes up an enormous amount of space. It takes up half the size of my back studio here. Anyway, I have two cars up here. I have one custom and one stock. They're both Holdens. You know this one here, this is DJ. This is Slick, and this is currently racing in Road Warriors. He's given us permission to use this as a tester. And don't forget, this has the Blackfire tyres on the rear wheels, rubber tyres. The other car's the Holden, that's my stock Holden. And that seems to be going very well down and around the track. So, I reckon let's have a look at a test run and see if they actually roll down the track. Let's give it a crack and see if I can follow the action with this camera. Not bad, not bad. Let's throw the Holden down. We'll just go from here, and here we go. There you go. So that's a fail. I don't know what happened there. And let's have a look at DJ in Slick. Let's have a look. Oh, he caught something. Wow. That is fantastic. This car of DJ's is just really hugging the track so well. Oh, that just caught something here on the track because I've run out of connectors. As you can see, I've just run out of connectors there. All in all, I'm pretty wrapped. Can I tell you, that's the first time that this car has failed to not run down the bottom. So we'll go again. Have a look at this stock Holden. And there you go. When I first built Mount Western Raceway, going back, almost 2 years ago, that track was designed for stock cars because we didn't have customs back then. This track here is now designed for custom cars, along with stock, so trying to get the timings between the two is difficult. DJ Triple J's car with those Blackfire tyres is kicking it on this track, I tell you, man. The stocks, I just need to work on a bit more timing, and I think we're going to get there. So I'll get back to you with another build. Oh, by the way, there's something else I'm going to do as a tester. I'm going to bring this out here, and I'm going to use orange track. Or maybe even go to that wall and use orange track so it sort of has a gradual decline down to this So rather than starting here, they're going to start up here on the orange track. So they're in lane, they're in formation. And then once they hit this fat track, bang! It's up to them to fight it out amongst themselves down and around the track. So we're still a long way from completing anything here. And I need to work on how I'm going to film this, because this is an enormous production, video production. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Video production going forward. And I really don't like to use more than 2 cameras, because the workflow is just huge. And let alone hard drive space to get these races up. So anyway, I'll be back with another video soon. Cool, catch you later.